haul. Street Style store has improved a lot and they have like introduced so many cute and trendy clothes. I have a bunch of them, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. Also they are COD, so it's obviously it's a bonus. Street Style store has many deals now. They have 2 for 699, 3 for 699, 3 for 999, and also there are like shoes deals and boots deals. Also they have accessories now. So I have bought 3 for 699 and 3 for 999. There those two deals. So let's start. I have 3 all in the same color. First one is this so cute bell sleeves, cute knot top. I love this. I ordered this in the size extra small. They give extra small, small and medium same size. So yeah, it fits me. I think it fits me perfectly, and yeah, it's so cute. The color is so cute, and also the cloth, the material is also really soft. So I think you should like totally buy this. This is in their trending page right now, so I had to buy this to show you guys. So yeah.
Dang, I look cute. It would be great with a white skirt.
The next one is this top. There has an elastic here. It's like an off-shoulder kind of top, and this you have to tie this. I have mixed feelings about this. First of all, for extra small, it is too big, and yeah, it doesn't fit my Didi perfectly. It fits me, I think, good enough. And the cloth is in the same material. It's good. It's perfect for the summers, and also I think I'm in love with lavender color. It's so peaceful, and these are in so much trend right now. I love lavender.
Forgive me for my poor choice of jeans. Jeans doesn't go with this kind of top. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the top.
SSS like doesn't really disappoint me, but they disappointed me big time. I hate this top. This was in the website. This was such a cute crop top, but reality the color is wrong. It's like a deep shade of lavender. The sleeves are so big, and this little cut right here, they showed a little like a little moon kind of thing, which was so good. And here it's like they showed you a bucket and they gave you an ocean. Yeah, and this is not extra small. This doesn't fit me at all. This is like loose in all the wrong places. This is a money waste product. Don't buy this top from SSS. Okay guys, I'm doing this so that you don't have to. So yeah, don't buy this one. Those two are like perfect. This one is just waste.
It's really loose in the wrong places. Sleeves are too long. I really like my crop top tight and body fitted.
Now the 3 for 999 deal. Like there are three things. Also I have mixed feeling about this one. 2 are perfect and 1 combo is waste. Okay, first of all, let's start with the pink one. This is a beautiful pink top. Also all the things are in extra small, and I love this. They showed this in the website, and they have given exactly the same. The bell sleeves are so cute. I think the best thing about SSS is that they show a color and they give you that color, and even if they don't give you that color, the color is like good. Like in Beautify, and I have seen in some websites the color they give instead of the ordered color is not that good. I'm sorry I'm blabbering, but this is the truth. And I love the sleeves. I actually bought it for the sleeves, and it fits me like a glove. It's so beautiful. Like try this one. You have to try this top. The next one is this black top, obviously in extra small. I love this organza sleeves. I think I love bell sleeves, and this organza sleeves like give this top a new look. And I thought that this top would didn't fit me like that much, but it's so stretchy. The material is like really good and stretchy, and it's not like that thin cloth. It's a really good quality cloth. So yeah, this is the top. I thought this was a crop top, but this is actually a little longer than a crop top, and I really like the height is perfect actually. So next I ordered a combo. I thought this would be a cute, Korean style school dress, kind of that plated skirt and that blazer, but I think they have really given me a school dress because the skirt and the blazer is that bad. Okay, I ordered this in extra small. Yeah, I'm good with the waist. The waist fit me perfectly, but the plaits, guys, the plaits are so bad. It really looks like a school skirt. The plates are not synchronized, and it's just bad. I think the only good thing is that this is in cotton and the chain is of good quality. Also, this is like so long. Who wears a knee length skirt like this one? And yeah, it's a really school skirt. I don't like this. And let's go to the blazer. The collar is like bad. The sleeves are loose. The button, they have given only one button which looks like a dadu jacket. And yeah, the only good thing is this is in cotton. If extra small is this big, what will be medium and large? I don't like this. I had high hopes for this one, but they like disappointed me big time. I would have saved it by doing the blazer in a cool way or something like this, but the blazer is that bad, you can't even do that. Watch me wear this. Please tell me you guys what you guys think. And yeah, I'm disappointed. I am also disappointed in this one. I can't get over these two things.
To be honest, it's kind of cute. I don't look that bad in it, but if the skirt was a little bit shorter, it would have been like close to perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.